Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how to send money from one PayPal account to another PayPal account using PayPal Sandbox and Node.js PayPal checkout Node.js API. So let's create a test account. Go to developer.paypal.com, log into dashboard, then sign up. Leave United States as it is, or you can change it if you want. Create a new password. Create a new account. Okay. In the meantime, we have created the developer account. In the backend, PayPal has already created our Sandbox account. We can check this in the Sandbox section in accounts. Below the Sandbox account section, you can see it has created the two accounts for our Sandbox. This is your email and password. Let's log in with these credentials. Go to sandbox.paypal.com, log in, and the password. Okay, so now we have created both account, developer.paypal.com and developer.sandbox.com. This is the my new account. You can see I've received 5,000 free USD in this balance. Now let's create another account in which I will receive the payment. From this account I will send the payment, and from another account I will receive the payment. Let's open that in incognito, developer.paypal.com and sandbox.paypal.com. Remember, firstly I have to log into the PayPal account, copy my credentials of Sandbox, and then I will need to log in. Let's log in with my account. Go to account section below the Sandbox. You can choose any account, personal or business, both are the same with different use cases. Go to this section, copy the email ID, and the password, login. Okay, now we have login with our both account. Let's create an app for which we are going to do some working. Go to my app and credentials. In this section, create new app. Our app name will be test. This is our account. Create the merchant account, right? Accept payment as merchant, right? Create account. Okay, so our dummy app is created. Now let's dive into the Node.js API. PayPal checkout Node.js. We will open this and let's copy the very first code. Creating a PayPal account. Execute this code. Let's create a new folder. Node.js PayPal. Open this in VS Code. Create index.js file and paste this, and also do npm init -y for package.json file, and we will need to install this package. Okay, up till now we have just created our two accounts, one for sending payment and one for receiving payment. We have just copied this piece of code from the GitHub repository from here. Now let's do some cleaning. Our package is installed. Let's do some cleaning. This is the request body in which I'm telling how many item I have and how much it needs to detect amount. This is the one set, right? You can see the details. Let's clean the other things. I don't have much things in it, so let's remove other objects. This is our item for $1, and let's add some credentials over here. Firstly we need to add here you will add the credentials in which your payment will be deducted, right? So let's copy the client ID and credentials, go to your application, go to your developer account, application and credentials. We have just created the app. Just copy the client ID and paste it, and the secret. Right, so our setup is completed for the app. You can now just we need to add the receiving PayPal ID, email ID. We will add it over here. Now let me add my incognito window ID. Yeah, here I have logged in my actual account, and let's copy my in the sandbox section account. Let's copy my, you can say, credentials, email. Yeah, copy and paste it over here. Okay, so let's review this. This is $1 USD and this is our ID. Let me show you my current balance of the PayPal. You can see it is $5,002. It's still same. Okay, let's run this by node index. Yeah, it is successfully sent the payment. Let's refresh this. Oops, I haven't received. It is sent the payment. Again check this. I have added, I think I have to do this right in a personal, this email. Okay, let me change the ID over here and the ID over here. The subject is good, node is good. Again save this and run the same command. Yep, let's see. Yep, I've just logged in with this business account, and I was checking in this personal account. So I've just changed the email to personal, and this is my personal account, and you can see I have $5,003. Okay, in the meantime I was creating I was checking the PayPal. If I try to send the payment next time with the same IDs, I will not be allowed. Let's explore this. It will give me some warnings. Right, you can see it has generated some warnings because I cannot send. Let me refresh. The payment will not be over here, reflect over here. Why? Each time we have to create the unique sender ID and the batch ID. I will change this to 3, and hopefully it will send the money to my account. It is currently $5,003, and let's run this command. Yep, you can see it is successfully sent money. Let's refresh this. Yep, it has sent me, and let's check from our this account whether we have it is detected or not. It was previously 5,000. You can see it is 4,996 USD $0.25. So let's summarize our today's video. In this video, we have understand how to create a PayPal account in Pakistan without any VPN. PayPal create PayPal when we create an account in developer.paypal.com, it creates our sandbox account. In sandbox, we can receive payments and we can send payments. In PayPal, in our sandbox, we have just let's go to this. In our this section, developer.paypal.com, we have created an app. We have just integrated our app in this in this GitHub repository. We have changed the secret client and we have added the receiver ID. Just that's it. We have successfully created our server to send and receive payment. We can say we have created a code to send and receive payment from PayPal. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.